For almost all wildlife, each day includes a trip to the river during this trying time of year. As morning dawns in Pafuri, a herd of waterbuck grazes on the marshy floodplain. With the males weighing up to 550 pounds, these are among Africa's most heavy-set antelope. They fuel their bulk by feeding on the most protein-rich grasses and herbs they can find. And during the dry season, it's the floodplain that provides. All this protein builds up a thirst, and waterbuck are among the most water-dependent of all antelope.